I always love making roasted chicken recipes because you need very few ingredients and the outcome is always incredible. All you have to do is place the chicken in the oven, sit back, relax, and wait for the chicken to roast. No hassle, right? So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very easy chili lemon chicken recipe, which is going to turn out absolutely amazing. It's going to be flavorful with a nice kick of spiciness, and it's going to be mouth-watering. Also, we are going to be making a very easy and simple potato side dish. And the best part is you can throw in any veggies that you have in your fridge and get that perfect side dish for your chicken. You're going to need a whole chicken for the recipe, so make sure to wash the chicken several times. Then you're going to pat dry your chicken. Also, you're going to prep up some potatoes. This is 5 to 6 medium potatoes. Also, you prep up some carrots. I had some beetroot in the fridge, so I decided to add into the recipe. Also, we have some garlic, lemon, chili lemon spice, which is the key ingredient for this recipe, and this is a teaspoon. Also, we have some black pepper, salt, and cooking oil. The recipe is super easy. So I'm going to start off by marinating my potatoes, and I'll add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add in some black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon, salt, throw in my carrots. Then I'm going to go in and massage in the cooking oil, the black pepper into the carrots and potatoes. Once done, this is how your potatoes and carrots are going to be looking. As you can see, they have black specks from the black pepper. So you'll need a baking tray at this point. Mine is ready, and also I have a rack for placing in my chicken. I'm going to transfer in the carrots and potatoes into the baking tray. Then I'm going to place in my beetroot, which is nice and clean. Place my veggies aside. Then into the same bowl, I'm going to pick my chicken. Place into the same bowl. Next, you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add in your chili lemon spice. Just look at that color. Add in salt. Garlic. Squeeze in juice of a whole lemon. Go in with my hands and massage in the seasoning on the chicken, making sure to go underneath the chicken. You want the inside to be well seasoned as well as the outside. If your chicken is not turning color, it's not well seasoned. So you're going to add in some more chili lemon spice. That is the key ingredient in this recipe because we're making some delicious baked chili lemon chicken. So once done coating the marinade on the chicken, you're going to marinate for at least 15 minutes. And during this time, you're going to preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Also, your potatoes or your veggies are going to be marinating as the chicken is marinating. My oven is ready, and now it's time to bake. And also, everything is well marinated, well seasoned. So the next step is going to be baking or roasting our chicken. So I'm going to place my rack on my baking tray, transfer my chicken on top, and just look at that chicken. You can tell it's going to be super delicious. Make sure the rack is well placed. Pick the rest of the marinade and spread on the chicken just like this. And once done, you're going to be baking your chicken at 200 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. And to check if the chicken is ready, it's going to get a very nice golden crust, and the potatoes are going to be tender and super delicious. 1 hour later, my chicken is ready. Ooh, hot. I'm going to use a kitchen towel, carefully pick my chicken. You're going to baste your chicken with the chicken drippings, which I've also soaked into the veggies underneath. And this is going to add in a very nice glossy look to the chicken. Once done, you're going to rest the chicken for 5 minutes before serving so that the chicken can turn out super juicy once everything is relaxed and cooled down. And now I'm ready to serve my delicious chicken. Here's my chicken. Just look at that. Then next I'm going to serve my veggies.